All right. We are on Saxon Phonics. What page number are we on?
44.
Good job. 44. What sound does our letter make? How do we spell that sound?
F.
Very good job. So we have our 11 blanks up here. What are we supposed to do on this page? Raise a hand. Evie Dale, what do we do on this page?
We have to write the numbers and letters.
Okay.
And then we have to circle the S's.
Okay. So on 1 through 11, you do have to write letters. What kinds of letters do you have to write? Raise hands. Blakely?
Capitals and lowercase.
Good. Capitals and lowercases. What do you need before you can write the letters? Hands? Who's got it? Adeline?
The sound.
The sounds. That's right. I give you sounds, you write the letters. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Number 1. Your sound is. Write the letters that spell for number 1. Number 2. Your sound is ol. Ol. Write the letters that spell ol for number 2. Number 3. Your sound is I. I. Write the letters that spell I on number 3. Number 4, we're at the bottom of the first column. Number 4, your sound is ah. Ah. Write the letters that spell ah. Number 5, top of the middle column. Number 5, your sound is Write the letters that spell Number 6, your sound is g. G. Write the letters that spell g for number 6. Number 7, your sound is Write the letters that spell for number 7. Number 8, your sound is Write the letters that spell for number 8. All right, number 9, top of the third column. Your sound is ah. Ah. Write the letters that spell ah for number 9. Number 10. Number 10, your sound is t. T. Write the letters that spell t for number 10. Number 11, your sound is p. P. Write the letters that spell p for number 11. Okay, here at the bottom I have a box full of letters. What kind of letters do I have in this box? Gracie?
S's.
I do, but that's not all I have. I want to know what kinds of letters I have in here, Manny.
Lowercase.
I do have some lowercase. That's not all I have. What do I have in here, Adeline?
Lowercase and uppercase.
That's right. I do have uppercase and lowercase letters inside this box. But I'm only looking for one particular letter. One special letter is what I'm looking for. Which one is that, Blakely?
S's.
I am looking for all of the S's. So find all the S's, uppercase and lowercase. Find them, circle them, count them, write the number on the right. Find them, circle them, count them, write the number on the right. On the back of page 44. I have covered up my pictures and my blanks. Why do I cover up my pictures and my blanks? Raise hands. Aubrey, why do I cover up my pictures and my blanks?
Because they're not the same words as a picture, and we don't memorize them.
That's right. I don't want you to look at the pictures trying to figure out what the words are because they've jumbled up the pictures. They don't match going across, do they? No, they don't match. So look at number 1. If you know what that word is, raise your hand. If you don't, sound it out. Put your hand up when you do. Raise your hand when you know what it is. Gracie, what do you think it is?
Sip.
Sip. Very good job. Air knuckles. Good job. It is the word sip. What does sip mean?
Like you're sipping on a drink.
Like, yes, getting a sip of a drink. Not a big drink, just a little sip. Good job. Number 2. Raise your hand if you know what that word is. If you don't, sound it out. Then raise your hand. I hear lots of good rant, but you can't change the letters at the end. You change the letter at the end. There's no T there. You have to sound out the letters and stay the same. You can't change them. Aiden, what is it?
Sap.
It is sap. Very good job. Do you remember what sap is?
No.
What is it?
Like you sat on a chair.
No, that is the word sat. This word that we just sounded out is sap.
Sap is in a tree. Sure.
Maple syrup is what maple syrup is made from? Yes, it comes from a tree. Good job. All right, look at number 3. If you know it, raise your hand. If you don't, sound it out, then raise your hand. All right, Isaiah, what is it?
Sit.
It is sit. What does that mean?
Sit down in your chair.
Sit down in a chair. You put your booty in the chair like it's supposed to be. Good job.
Like we're doing right now.
Like you are doing right now. Good job. Number 4. If you know it, raise your hand. If you don't, sound it out. Then raise your hand. Evie Dale, what do you think?
Meat.
It is a kind of meat, but that is not the word. Good try, though. I like that one. Elijah.
Ham.
It is ham. Very good job. It is a type of meat, but you have to say the word that it is. It is ham. What is ham? It's a type of meat. Something that you eat. Very good job. Okay. Now I'm going to move my paper to show the pictures. I want you to take your pencil, draw a line from the word to the picture that matches. Okay, now I've covered up the words and my pictures. Now we have numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we're going to do a small spelling test. I'm going to give you a word. We're going to sound it out one time, and then you write it on the line. Capiche? Okay. Number 5. Your word is ham.
Ham.
Sound it out for me one time. Good. Write those letters on those lines. All right. Number 6. Your word is sap.
Sap.
Sound it out one time.
Wait.
Okay. So you stop and listen for a second. You can fix that in a minute. Okay. Your word is sap.
Oh, actually, I did it.
Your word is sap. Sound it out one time. Here we go. Good. That sounded better. Write it on the line for number 6. Number 7. Your word is sip. Sound it out one time. Good. Write it down on the line for number 7. Yes, number 7. Number 8. Your word is sit. Sound it out one time. Eyeballs should be up here. People are sounding out ahead. Eyeballs up here. Sound it out one time. Here you go. No, that is not the word I gave you. I gave you sit. Sound it out one time. It's not a P. It is sit. Sound it out. Yes. Write it on the line for number 8.